What is going on, everybody? Today we are looking at the QSP Grebe. I'm excited to finally take a look at a knife from these guys. They haven't put out a Tanto, so finally they have put one out. This knife in particular, the Grebe, does come in many different versions, and I got the blue Micarta version because I love Micarta. Feels good in the hands. It patinas very nicely to however you use it and to your own sweat of your hands. And I kind of like that. I love leather and everything that patinas. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's the box it came in. That's the version I have. The 14C28N blade in stonewash in blue micarta. This does come in, like I said, other different versions, S35VN and stuff like that. If you want to pay a little bit more money. And here we go. Some basic measurements. It's 7¼ inches long. So a little on the small side for me personally, but not bad. And actually, for a smaller 7½ inch knife, I can already tell it's got some nice size to it, so it doesn't really feel too small. The micarta feels good, not super hairy or anything like that. Very simple pocket clip. I know some of the more expensive versions have a machine clip, which doesn't have deep carry, but this one with this clip does have a nice deep carry. And of course, this is a button lock, so very excited for that. Even though my last button lock didn't had certain issues. Yeah, I mean, for a small knife, this actually feels really good in the hand. It's got some nice thickness to it, and really, it really feels like a bigger knife in hand. Love that Tanto. It is a full flat, full in the middle and in here, so there's, not a super thick blade, and not, but it is definitely going to be thicker behind the edge. It's got a nice sharpening on this. You can even see how nice they sharpened it, and it is sharp, so very impressive. Very snappy. Doesn't take too much effort. Button is very protrudable. Protrudes quite a bit there, which is nice for access, but could be problematic with, pushing it when you don't want to, maybe. But other than that, and the thumb studs are, yeah, they're very tricky because they are right on top of the scales. I mean, right on top. I'm try to let you see that. I mean, they're flush with the scales, and they're very close to the scales. A lot easier with my thumb, but yeah, definitely a little more better with the flipper tab. And the pocket clip is reversible for anybody that cares about that. So, yeah, all in all, this is $70. So, I'll tell you, feels good. Feels good in the hands. Slight wobble, but that's kind of normal for a button lock. Hopefully that this button lock will be a lot more better than the last one I had. Definitely seems like it. It seems like it really has a little more engagement in there. Takes a lot before it engages, which is also good because, again, that button does protrude a lot and you can kind of feel it, but definitely something you have to keep your hands away from because, you are going to hit that button if you're not careful. But other than that, yeah, I do like the micarta. I like the blue, something different. It's got enough girth to it where it feels great in the hands. But yeah, I look forward to definitely testing it out and seeing how it feels. It's got a nice stone wash to it. Yeah. So there you guys go. That is the Grebe. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.